Your Facebook profile link is a unique URL that leads directly to your profile. Understanding this link is essential for networking, content creation, and personal branding in 2025. A profile link is simply a web address that takes people directly to your Facebook profile. Think of it as your digital business card on Facebook. Facebook profile links come in two formats. If you have a custom username, your link looks clean and professional. If you don't have a custom username, Facebook uses a numeric ID format. Facebook maintains straightforward methods for copying your profile link on both desktop computers and mobile devices. The process works consistently across both platforms. Knowing how to copy your profile link is a fundamental social media skill. Whether you're networking professionally, building your personal brand, or sharing your profile for content creation, this link is your gateway to connecting with others on Facebook. There are three simple ways to copy your Facebook profile link on desktop. Let's walk through each method step by step. Method 1 is the most direct approach. Simply go to your profile page and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This gives you the complete link to your profile. Method 2 uses Facebook's built-in menu system. Look for the three-dot menu on your profile page, which provides access to various profile options, including sharing features. Method 3 uses Facebook's share functionality. The share button provides a direct way to copy your profile link along with other sharing options. Now let's look at how to copy your profile link on mobile devices. The process is streamlined into three simple taps. On mobile, start by tapping the three-dot menu on your profile. Then select Share Profile and choose Copy Link from the sharing options. The link is now ready to paste wherever you need it. Important privacy note: when you share your profile link, remember that it respects your current privacy settings. Public profiles can be viewed by anyone with the link, while private profiles still require friend connections or follow approval.